Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of more countries joining the China-funded AIIB. But first, the US debt limit battle is about to resurface. Their debt ceiling of $18.1 trillion needs to be extended by Congress, and now that both houses are controlled by the Republicans, that may be tricky. For the past year, their debt cap has been suspended, but the federal government is still running deficits of about $500 billion a year, and the cap suspension expires tomorrow. Deja vu, although financial markets are currently all but ignoring the politics of the issue. China has announced that it is opening up more of its economy to foreign investors. The announcement significantly reduced the restricted sectors, and although overlooked in the reporting, modern agriculture is likely to be one that is due for opening up. Also over the weekend, both Britain and Australia signalled they will join China's Asia Infrastructure Investment Bank, being late arrivals but in time to be called founding members. The US has been pressuring its allies to boycott this new institution, and it's a competitor to the US-led World Bank. New Zealand signalled late last year it would be joining. In Australia, it was announced that the local consumer finance division of GE Money has been sold to a group of investors, including the giant American private equity firm KKR and another giant American investor, Värde Partners. GE Money got more than $8.5 billion for this division. Harvey Norman interest-free deals are part of their products, for example. The US Treasury 10-year yields popped back up on Friday and now at 2.12%. The crude oil price fell on Friday and is now at $45 a barrel, while the Brent crude is down to $55 a barrel. The IEA warned over the weekend of a supply glut. In addition, in 2014, and for the first time in 40 years, carbon dioxide emissions did not grow, according to the IEA. They say economic growth and energy use may be decoupling. The gold price rose a little bit over the weekend to $1,153 an ounce. And the New Zealand dollar starts the week at 73.3 US cents. It is at 96 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 79. For a world economy coming to terms with a rising US dollar and falling oil prices, this week will be all about the US Federal Reserve's policy meeting and its intentions on interest rates. We will know their decisions on Thursday. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.